Hello beautiful people, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be making something really different. I'm not sure I have made something like this on my channel before. My sister has been on my head to try out this coconut latte recipe. I don't know where she got it from. I don't know who showed her this recipe, but she kept calling me on and on to try out coconut latte, and I thought it wise to film it so that I can share it with my amazing and incredible people here on YouTube. Guys, this recipe is very easy and straightforward. The good thing I love about this video is that in the video I'm going to show you how you can make homemade condensed milk, just what I am doing on your screen right now. You simply add in water, add your sugar, then transfer it into your blender. You'll be adding milk 1 tablespoon at a time. The measurement is going to be captured in the video. Another thing with this recipe is literally you're going to put everything to your taste. There is no strict specifications when it comes to coconut latte. The only advice I am going to give when it comes to making your coconut latte is to add little quantity of water when you are blending the dry coconut. In Nigeria, we mostly use the dry coconut, but if you find yourself in other parts of the world, just put it to your taste, guys. No specification at all. Now, after you blend your coconut with the water, sieve out the chaff, you have successfully made the coconut milk. Then you go ahead and put in the condensed milk that you just made. I advise you don't put much quantity, just put enough to sweeten it a bit before you add in your milk. To replace condensed milk, you can go ahead to use your honey or any sweetener of your choice. Now I'm putting in the powdered milk. Then I'm going to give it a very good mix with my whisk. When that is said and done, you are going to be bringing out your ice cubes, which is my favorite part, guys. This is best enjoyed during summer when the weather is warm and hot in some places. You are going to enjoy every sip of this coconut latte. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for the love. Do not forget, subscribe if you are yet to do so, like and share. See you in my next recipe. Bye, guys.